Like,
Yeah, when I
what
stopped
was
on the
going
goal.
through your mind for that celly, man? Like,
That was
What you talking about when he stopped on the goal?
yeah, man.
It was Chad Ochocinco. He caught a slant in the middle of the field. That boy took it up and he stopped on the goal line, slow motion. I'm like, Job, I'm finna hit that. So you little warm up and practice every day. Always go last. I catch it. I stop on the goal line. Boom, fall in the end zone. I do this every day. So the classic, I'm off the bus. Like, I'm ready, bro.
Yeah.
G, they messed around and gave me, they just call that play Y-Mat. Every time they threw me Y-Mat, I'm scoring off of Y-Mat. It was a man. Got him off the line. You know, when they trailing, you done.
Yeah, he did.
Threw the ball, so then I see the two safeties, Bobby Williams. Bobby come down here, he don't care.
Yeah.
So I seen him coming, foot in grass, stomp the roach. End zone.
Yeah.
So now I got end zone, it's dead end zone. I gotta do it, this is the moment, it just happened, G. They threw all type of flags. They threw all type of flags, what you want to do?